Today we're going through the ab rollout. The ab rollout is an awesome exercise for your abdomen. It's also more of an advanced move. So if you are more of a beginner, I'd recommend starting with learning what a neutral spine actually feels like. So in this demonstration I'm showing you right now, you're gonna see that I'm showing you what a neutral spine looks like and then what an arched out back looks like. And this is your shoulders right over your elbows. This is gonna be the easiest variation of the plank. As you get better at the plank, you can turn it into a long levered plank where you start to move your elbows further out in front of you. When you move your elbows further out in front of you, it's going to make it more difficult for you to clamp down your abdomen and keep that neutral spine. But this is also going to show us and teach us how to keep that neutral spine during an ab rollout. So move all the way to a pretty long levered plank. It's going to be fairly challenging, and then you can move to the ab roller. When you start with an ab rollout, start small. You should not be taking these huge repetitions because you don't have the strength to do the ab rollout yet. So start with small repetitions where you can keep that low back nice and neutral with abs engaged. As you get better, you can start to progress to longer movements where you're pushing that roller in front of you. Your arms and your hips should be moving together as you're rolling that roller in front of you. Here are a couple mistakes that I see really often in the gym when it comes to the ab rollout. The first one is sticking your ghetto booty up in the air, arching your back nice and hard, and just moving through your knees. You're not getting really great engagement out of your abs here. This looks terrible. Don't be this person. The other thing I see is people just going for gold right out of the gate. You shouldn't be just falling face down on the floor when you're doing your ab rollout. Everything should be controlled. Abs are tight. And last example here is just the classic going further than you're stronger than you're able to go. So as I got further into that rollout, you see I lose my tightness and I start to arch my back out. That's what you want to avoid doing. Keep your abs tight and give me a nice strong neutral spine to engage the core and actually get better at using your abdomen. Smash the like button, click subscribe. You know the drill. Rapid Fitness!
I waited for the night to fall in love. It's how you really know I fucked it up. Just a little lie.